Top 4 best-selling items on Amazon. You need these. It's your boy Mr. Beast here, diving into the top 4 best-selling items of 2024. These products are flying off the digital shelves, and you're gonna want to get your hands on these. We're talking about stuff that everyone's using, from busy bees in the office to awesome parents changing diapers like champs. So buckle up, grab your wallets, and get ready to add to your carts, because we're about to break down why these items are absolute must-haves in 2024. Let's do this. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. Number 4. Hammermill Printer Paper, the undisputed champion of paper. Kicking off our list at number 4, we've got a classic, Hammermill Printer Paper, specifically the 20-pound copy paper. This ain't your grandma's flimsy see-through printer paper. We're talking about premium quality, folks. This stuff is like the Rolls-Royce of paper, smooth as silk, bright white, and perfect for everything from printing out your billion-dollar business plans to doodling your next big idea. It's versatile, reliable, and it won't break the bank. You can grab a massive ream of 500 sheets for under $10. No more flimsy paper jams, no more ink bleeding through, just crisp, clean prints every single time. Go for the gold standard, go for Hammermill. Number 3. Amazon brand. Mama Bear Baby Wipes, the butt-saving heroes for parents. Coming in at number 3, we've got something for all you amazing parents out there. Amazon brand, Mama Bear Baby Wipes. These babies are like a warm hug for your little one's bottom. These wipes are made with a super gentle formula, so they're perfect for even the most sensitive skin. No harsh chemicals, no fragrances, just pure, clean goodness for your precious little ones. Mama Bear wipes are super strong and durable, so you can get the job done quickly and efficiently. Plus, they're conveniently packaged with a resealable closure to keep those wipes nice and moist. Your baby will thank you for it. Number 2. DURASACK Heavy-Duty Sandbags, the ultimate solution for flood control and more. These bags are designed to provide maximum protection and versatility in a variety of situations. Coming in hot at number 2, we've got DURASACK Heavy-Duty Sandbags. Whether you're dealing with a flood, landscaping your garden, or working on a construction site, these bags have got you covered. These bad boys are the ultimate solution for flood control, landscaping, construction, you name it. They're incredibly versatile and can be used in a multitude of ways to suit your needs. We're talking about heavy-duty, woven polypropylene that's built to withstand the toughest conditions. This material is engineered to be durable and long-lasting, ensuring that your sandbags will hold up under pressure. These bags are UV-resistant, rot-proof, and mildew-resistant, so you can use them indoors or outdoors, rain or shine. No matter the weather, DURASACK heavy-duty sandbags will remain reliable and effective. Each bag can hold up to 50 pounds of sand, gravel, or whatever you need to fill them with. This makes them perfect for a wide range of applications, from flood control to construction projects. And the best part? They're reusable. You can use them over and over again, making them a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option. Once the floodwaters recede or your project is complete, simply empty out the bags, fold them up, and store them away for next time. Be prepared with DURASACK. These sandbags are the ultimate solution for all your needs, providing reliability and durability every time. Number 1. Ball Aluminum Cup, the party starter that's saving the planet, one sip at a time. These cups are not just any ordinary party accessory, they are a revolution in the way we think about disposable drinkware. The number 1 best-selling item on Amazon in 2024 is the Ball Aluminum Cup. This incredible product has captured the hearts of consumers everywhere, making it a must-have for any social gathering. These iconic cups have taken the world by storm, and for good reason. They combine style, functionality, and sustainability in a way that no other product can. Made from 100% recyclable aluminum, these cups can be recycled over and over again without losing their quality. This means less waste in our landfills and a smaller carbon footprint. They're shatterproof, dent-resistant, and can handle anything from ice-cold beverages to piping hot drinks. Whether you're serving coffee, tea, or cocktails, these cups are up to the task. No more cracked cups or spilled drinks. With Ball Aluminum Cups, you can enjoy your favorite beverages without worrying about the mess. Plus, they keep your drinks colder for longer than regular plastic cups. Imagine sipping on a chilled drink that stays refreshingly cold until the very last drop. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, tailgating at a football game, or just enjoying a cold one at home, Ball aluminum cups elevate the experience. They add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any occasion. They're the perfect conversation starter, and they make a statement about your commitment to sustainability. Show your friends and family that you care about the environment while enjoying a great time together. Your taste buds and the planet will thank you. So next time you're planning a get-together, make sure to include Ball aluminum cups. They're the ultimate party starter that's saving the planet, one sip at a time. Yeah! Alright guys, there you have it. The top 4 best-selling items on Amazon in 2024. From office essentials to parenting must-haves, these products are truly indispensable. They have earned their place at the top of the charts for a reason. And the best part is, they're all affordable and accessible, making them a great choice for everyone. This proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get your hands on quality products. And now, for the exciting part, I'm gonna pick a few lucky subscribers to win all 4 of these amazing products. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling me which of these best-selling items you're most excited to try. Don't miss out on this awesome opportunity to win some fantastic stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top product lists and reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting content and giveaways. See you soon!